Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook like and Twitter follow button on WordPress. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. In order to successfully do this, we need to head over right here on our left sidebar, search for appearance, and then click on widgets. Now on our widgets right here, this will direct us to the widgets page of our actual WordPress. Now you can see this, so what we can do right here is to head over to this plus icon, which is the ad block, and search in here for HTML. So you can see this HTML right here, so add this one, and then we can head over and write in here HTML. In order to get the HTML that we need to head over to a new tab. So let's first head over and get the Facebook Live. So head over to developers.facebook.com. So let's head over to that link. And then once you have done that, it will show you this. So let's head over to the first link. And then from in here, let's try to scroll down until you can see the developer tools. So scroll down from that. In here, you can see your social integrations. So click on this right here on the learn more. And then in here, you can see your developer products. So for this one, let's head over and get the social introduction or integration that we need. So we need to head over and make this social plugins that we have right here. But you can also choose to do a lot of things. So let's click on this social plugins right here by clicking on the overview. And then in here, you can see this. Just head over and read the docs. So click on this read docs right here. And it will redirect you to this page. So what you can do is you can just head over and use this like button. So for this case, we will use the like button. So let's click on it. And then once you have done that, you can see this right here. So here's our like button. So you can actually customize it in order to get your actual URL on your Facebook. So once you have done that, you can also get the pixel width of the plugins. For example, right here, you can get 150 or 115. And you can also get standard layout or a box count or anything layout you want it to be. You can also make the button large or small depending to your liking, and the action is live. So head over and click on this get code right here. And you can see this code right here. So what you can do is you can head over and then use this particular code. You can use this iframe as well if you want. So for example, let's use this iframe and copy that. Then let's head over right here to our WordPress and then let's add it right here. And then in here, you just need to save that. The next thing you need to do is you click on this add block and let's add another HTML again. Now for this one, let's head over to developers or publish of your actual store. So let's head over here to publish Twitter. And you can see this publish@twitter.com. So let's click on that. And then in here, it will ask you what would you like to embed. So for example, let's put in here a follow. And then in here, you can just copy this code right here. And then head over again to your WordPress and then paste it right here. You can now see this copy. And what you can do is click on this update right here. And then once you have done that, it will add the Facebook like and Twitter follow button and WordPress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.